Welcome. In this updated tutorial, we will walk you through how to restore an old chat on Snapchat. Follow these steps to potentially retrieve an old conversation from your Snapchat account. Step 1. Request your data from Snapchat. Begin by reaching out to Snapchat's support team to request your data. They may be able to provide you with a copy of your chat history, including old conversations. Step 2. Try third-party tools. Explore third-party tools and applications that specialize in recovering old data from Snapchat. These tools may offer solutions to help you restore an old chat on your account. Step 3. Ask your chat partner. If you're looking to restore an old chat with a specific person, consider contacting your chat partner. They may have the conversation saved or be able to assist in restoring it. By following these steps, you can try to restore an old chat on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in potentially retrieving an old conversation from your Snapchat account. Explore these methods to restore an old chat and keep your valuable conversations accessible on the platform.